Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play World of Warcraft Classic step by step. First, you will need to choose a realm type that best fits your desired experience, whether it's a player versus environment server for cooperative play or a player versus player server for open world combat. Next, select your preferred race and class, considering their unique abilities and roles. Finally, customize your character's appearance to make them truly your own before venturing into the vast world of Azeroth. Once your character is created, you will begin your adventure by completing quests. These tasks are crucial for gaining experience points, earning gold, and acquiring new gear to strengthen your character. Take time to understand your class's unique abilities and spells, arranging them on your action bars for efficient use. Combat involves targeting enemies and strategically deploying your skills to overcome challenges and progress. As you advance, exploration becomes a key part of the experience, leading you to new zones, cities, and dangerous dungeons. Consider picking up professions such as mining or herbalism to gather valuable resources, which can then be used to craft powerful items or sold for profit. To enhance your journey, join a guild. This allows you to connect with other players, form groups, and tackle more challenging content together. For those seeking greater challenges, World of Warcraft Classic offers exciting endgame content. You can participate in dungeons with groups of 5 players, or epic raids with 10 or even 40 players, to earn powerful gear. Engage in thrilling player versus player combat in battlegrounds or the open world to gain honor and prestige. The journey of improving your character and gear continues long after reaching the maximum level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.